Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, here we replaced the rear brake pad sensor on a BMW 3 Series guys. And all it's sudden, okay, after the brake pad replacement sensor we still get a brake light, yellow brake light. And if I go, okay, let me show you quick, to check control, okay, right here, you see that we have the lift, yellow lift for the brakes. So, what happened now guys? Okay, we scan the system. Right here we scan the system, we go to the brake module, that's Maxicom MK808. we will have it, all the tools listed in the description of the video. Read the codes and we have code 5F11. It says brake pad wear, okay, rear axle sensor. So stay with us and we will show you what most likely the problem is if you have that code. So this is the brake pad wear sensor here. We did some research and most likely it's a bad connection somewhere. We're going to remove our fender liner again and you can see that's where our sensor is, the connection. Okay, so we'll pull it out. What we're going to do actually, you can see it didn't go in all the way. Okay, we just didn't put it all the way, and you need to make sure that these pins, inside there is 2 pins, are actually straight and they go in the little holes. So let's push it all the way in. Okay, now it clicked, just like that. Okay, let's go inside, start the car and see if that fixed the problem. I'll not even stop the video from that point on. Okay, let's see if we have the yellow brake light on top. So far, no. What I'm going to do, so I'll go ahead to the module, erase the codes. Okay, erase was successful. Click OK. Read codes. There is no fault codes detected and no light on. So that's how we fixed it guys. Thank you for watching and hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Please subscribe.